In this video, I will show you how to add a contact button and connect your Facebook page to drive Facebook users to your website. So let's see how it's done. In your Facebook page, click this three-dotted More option. Next, click this Add Action button. And again continue by clicking the Try It button in the pop-up window. From the list of options, select Contact Us and click Next to continue. In this two options, select the Add Website link to connect your website to the Facebook page button. And in the website link field, enter the full website address, or enter your website contact page link and save the changes. And done adding Contact Us button in the Facebook page. To test and view Facebook page as Facebook user, you will need to click this three-dotted More option. And from the list, need to click this View As. You can see the Contact Us button set up in Facebook page. To confirm the clickable link of Contact Us button under Facebook page, we can see the live view in the browser. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.